G'day, welcome to the second episode of the Savannah and Cody cooking show, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what are we going to make today?
We're going to make a beef jerky.
Beef jerky. So this is going to be a couple of part thing because we've got to prep it. We're going to let it sit overnight, don't we?
Yeah.
So it soaks in all the flavours, and then tomorrow we're going to do it in the air fryer. So it's beef jerky in the air fryer. Now, we've never done this, have we?
No.
So these are all experiments. We're going to see how they go.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. So we've got our list of ingredients in our stuff here. So we're going to start setting up with our mixture in the bowl. And we're going to start with half a cup of Worcestershire sauce or black sauce. Alright, so if I pour this, can you put it in the bowl for me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so hold it above the bowl so we try not to spill it. And it's going to take a bit for this to come out. Half a cup. It's a lot of black sauce. My dad used to love black sauce, put on everything. Alright, good girl. Half a cup of soy sauce. This is a brand new soy sauce, so I haven't even taken the lid off. We need a can opener.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Cody? Got one. Keep meditating, Savannah.
Okay. Cody's just going to get the can opener. Meanwhile, we're going to do something. We're just going to wait here, okay? Just wait.
Okay, good. Hold it above the thing. Alright, so now we've got our soy sauce finally opened. See our black sauce? Half cup. Tip that in. Good girl.
2 black sauces.
Alright, now we need our little spoons, and we need 1 tablespoon of honey.
1 tablespoon of honey.
Alright, you're going to hold that there. Now this is going to be interesting.
Honey.
Now we need 1 teaspoon, which is that one, onion powder. Can you smell the onion?
Yep. Oh my gosh, it's so strong.
It is, isn't it? Okay,
Yeah.
onion powder in.
Easy to pour in.
And then we need a half teaspoon chili flakes. So can you find the half one of that?
Half TS.
So what's half? It's 1/2, isn't it?
This one. This one.
Yep. So we've got chili flakes. Now we've got to be careful with this because otherwise we're going to make it really hot, aren't we?
Yep. Oh no.
We'll spill a little bit. That's all our ingredients that we're putting in there. Okay, so we can get rid of that. We don't need it. We're now going to grab one. And what do we need for our beef jerky? Good, we've just gone beef strips, haven't we?
Yeah.
I'm going to put this meat in here and then you're going to mix it all and coat it, aren't you?
Yeah.
So make sure every bit of meat has got that sauce all over it. And then we're going to go from there. So you're going to mix. And then as we said before, we're going to let it sit overnight. So mix that up for me as good as you can. We're going to let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow we can put it in the air fryer. Spread it all out so that meat soaks in that flavour.
Soy sauce, black sauce, garlic powder, or onion powder.
Yep.
And chili flakes. And honey.
Good, that's it. So pretty simple, 5 ingredients, 6 if you include the meat. This one just takes a bit of time. So you can let it sit overnight. We're going to pat it dry tomorrow. And then
Put it in the air fryer.
2 hours in the air fryer, it says. At the minimum, so that's a long time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You want to have a little mix?
I'll have a little mix. Good, I think we've got that covered in. Alright, we got the Glad wrap. I'm going to squash it all down, make sure it's in there. Cling wrap. See my cling wrap skills?
Yeah.
Not very good, are they?
Not that, even better than mine.
And we're going to try to pull it nice and tight. And we're going to stick that in the fridge. We're going to clean it up here, otherwise Mum will be unhappy with us. Can't have that, can we? Alright, that's our prep done. So we're going to stick that in the fridge overnight and then we'll see you for part 2. Welcome back to the Savannah and Cody cooking show. This is the second part of the beef jerky mix. And today we're featuring Freddie!
My little brother.
Yeah, we're doing a little bit of babysitting. He's joined in. We're going to do our best, aren't we, little man? Alright. So what we've got our beef strips that have been marinating. We actually have been pretty busy, so we didn't actually, it sat for longer.
Yeah.
The recipe says sit for 3 hours or overnight. It's actually sat for a day and a half, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But that means it should be obviously, hopefully nicely marinated. What are we going to do? We're going to
take the beef jerkies out, place them here, and I'm going to pat them dry.
That's it. And then we've got to lay them in our air fryer so that they're not overlapping, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. All right, so have you got your patting device?
Yep.
When that one gets dirty, I've got another one here. All right, so I'm going to take them out and I'm going to lay them along.
Oh, that's nice and saucy.
These nice and saucy. All right, let's start patting dry.
Okay, let's do this.
Was that right, Freddie?
Oh, little man's getting cranky.
Yeah, I think he just wants the beef jerky. Alright, let's have a look. It says not to overlap it. So we've got to set that on for 2 hours now. So yeah, that's right. It'll take us 2 lots to get it all sort of done. So I'm going to take this now, stick it in our trusty air fryer. We need to go 2 hours and we've got to turn it down to 100 degrees Celsius. So in an hour's time, we're going to have to come back, switch that on for another hour. All right, ready, start.
Now let's switch and rolls.
We thought that while that's getting going, we'll prep this stuff so it's already patted down, and then we'll just have it sitting ready to go in. Hopefully speed up our process later on. All on there? Freddie can't control that.
No, he's just being a baby.
Yeah. Hey.
Hopefully all of this is going to fit. Second last. This is probably our last. No more.
Okay. And then now it's just a cooking game.
Yeah.
I'll just pick it up and dump it all in there.
It's actually really good, surprisingly. Not overlapping it.
Okay. In the air fryer.
In the air fryer.
And you can push the buttons.
Air fryer.
Good work. It's been a couple of hours. We're going to check this out. We're going to see if it's any good. Yeah? You ready? I don't know what it's going to be like.
Oh, that's very,
I'm not sure that's actually beef jerky.
Nope. It's cooked for a bit too long.
Cooked for too long. We followed the instructions though.
Yeah.
Maybe we're going to have to alter it a little bit. But not like all cooking shows. They always show their successes, don't they?
Yeah. No.
That doesn't look... That looks more like charcoal than jerky. Do you want to try it?
I'll try it.
Hang on, I'll try it with you. Wait.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's try it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's actually pretty good.
Actually, yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Maybe that's actually how it's supposed to look. Maybe it just doesn't look pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's really dried out. Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it did succeed.
Yeah.
Well,
Yay.
well, that's our beef jerky recipe. We're going to go cook the other half now.
Yep.
That's the Savannah and Cody cooking show.